Good morning to you on this fine, lovely, early June day. It's Thursday, the 4th of June, a couple of days before the 82nd anniversary of the 6th of June, 1944, D-Day. Anyway, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about 14 years of continuous lying. 14 years from 2010 to 2024, when we had 14 years of the Conservative and Unionist Party of Great Britain rule, government, if you like. That's my first point. My second point, we had 14 years of net zero and green propaganda. We had 14 years of uncontrolled immigration. We had 14 years of unconservative fiscal policy. We had 14 years of woke rule. For example, David Cameron's legislation about gay marriage. Now, if a man wants to be a homosexual, I have no particular issue with it. As a Christian, I don't agree with that. I am a traditionalist. I believe one man and one woman make marriage, and marriage is a place for children, and we should be fostering the family. Anyway, David Cameron, a woke politician. Then we had, at the end of the Tory rule in 2024, Rishi Sunak, a man of Indian origin, seriously wealthy actually. He said, we are going to, quote unquote, stop the boat. He lied. Thirdly, think about this. If your partner, your husband or your wife or your boyfriend or your girlfriend lied to you for 14 years, what would your reaction be? Think about it, reflect on it, and come back to me. I'm going to leave this open for comments. So your partner lies to you. Your partner is unfaithful to you for 14 years. What are you going to do about it? Now, I'm going to be upfront with you. I am a Reform member. I have been a Reform member since the general election of 2024. Do I think Nigel Farage is the answer to Britain's problems? Well, yes and no. I believe that he's a man of integrity. Yes, I do. And I'm speaking to you after the death of Henry Novak, a 18-year-old youth stabbed to death by DEI, diversity, equality and inclusion policies and principles put into place by the Policing College of Great Britain, United Kingdom. I am fed up of Conservative Party lies. I hope you are too. If you like this channel, can you give me a like? If you like this program, give me a like, and can you subscribe as well? We're on our way to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much, and may God richly bless you in your business and what you're doing. God bless you, and goodbye.